Hi, we've been speaking about subscription business and recurring revenues. Today I want to discuss a specific example of how a business non-traditionally in the subscription area is trying to do something interesting and trying to enforce some kind of a recurring action from the customers. We're going to discuss Big Bazaar today. Big Bazaar, for those of you who don't know, is like an Indian equivalent of Walmart. They run huge hypermarts and the value proposition is essentially value for money or low cost, to be blunt about it. They run a very interesting loyalty program and they give these cards to members. And how it works is you pay 10,000 bucks upfront and you can get goods worth 12,000. Sounds too good to be true, right? A 20% discount on whatever you're buying, and this is applicable to all goods. There are a few catches. The interesting catch is you can get only 1,000 bucks of goods through this card every month. So see what they're doing. They are locking you for a year from the time you pay the 10,000 upfront. So of course they get the cash flow advantage because you're paying them upfront. Secondly, and more importantly, they are encouraging you to come back to their store every month, or if not every month, on an ongoing basis, and keep spending money on them on a recurring basis. Now, 1,000 bucks is what you can use on a monthly basis. Almost nobody spends 1,000 bucks when you go into a Big Bazaar. Sometimes you spend 3,000, sometimes you spend 5,000, sometimes you spend a lot more. On a very conservative estimate of 3,000 bucks for a year, you end up spending 36,000 bucks. The discount you get is only 2,000 on 36,000 bucks. What does this translate into? It's not a 20% discount if you look at it this way. This is a less than 5% discount. A large retail company like Big Bazaar can make good margins if they get recurring revenues from you and offer you a less than 5% discount. Let's take an even more conservative estimate. Let's say you're not going every month, although you're allowed to do it once a month. Let's say you go once in 2 months. Even then, at a, again, monthly bill of, or a regular bill of 3,000 bucks, you're spending 18,000 bucks. Again, the discount you get is only 2,000 bucks. This is also a less than 10% discount. It's not a 20% discount. It's still a reasonable discount which the retailer is offering and is still able to make money. Now there are a few more interesting things which you need to keep in your mind. One, given the fact that they offer you to be able to redeem points on a monthly basis, chances are very high that you end up going every month just to take advantage of the 1,000 bucks which you paid in advance. Two, your general expenses are usually more than 3,000 bucks, so Big Bazaar ends up making a lot of money from you. Three, a user like me has actually stopped buying groceries from other shops because I know anyway I have to bundle my purchase and buy more from Big Bazaar because I'm a member of that particular club. What is this retail company trying to do? It's trying to enforce the consumers or nudge the consumers to come in on a recurring basis, to come spend money on a recurring basis, and to spend more and more, because invariably you're packaging all your purchases which you can buy from Big Bazaar only from Big Bazaar. You're cutting down your expenses in the other places. Overall, the lifetime value which the customer spends on Big Bazaar is going up. Very interesting example outside the realm of what is typically classified as a recurring revenue or a subscription economy or a SaaS business. This is recurring revenue, but it's kind of different from what we constantly hear.